guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with this week's CVS midweek haul, and thank you for joining me again. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome and thank you for joining us. Things went very well except for one little problem which I corrected at the end, but I'm still very grateful for all the savings that CVS gives us. Let's go see what I picked up. The first deal I picked up is on any Sally Hansen product. It's on a tier deal of buy 2 get $4 back, or you buy 3 you get $7 back, and this is a limit of $7 per account. I picked up the cheapest item I can find. That's the extreme wear, priced at $4.29. I'll be doing the buy 3 get 7, so I picked up 3. 3 of them came up to $12.87. I have a 3 off 10 cosmetic CRT that is attaching to this. I don't have any coupon for this. It's going to bring it down to $9.87, and I'll get $7 back for buying 3, making all 3 items $2.87 or 96 cents each. This transaction went very well. I used the 3 off 10 cosmetic CRT from my text message, used $8.48 extra care box. That's $8 extra care box plus those little ones, and I paid $1.38 out of pocket, and I got back my $7 for buying 3. My next transaction will be on the spend 40 get $10 back, and I'll be doing some Old Spice with this transaction. I'll pick up the body wash on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. I'll be picking up 3 because we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. I'll pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.79, and to complete the 3, I'll get the one priced at $10.79. I'll also be adding the dry spray. They're on a different sale. They're on buy 1 get 1 40% off, not like the body wash, and I'll be picking up 3. 2 of them will be full price, and the third one will be the 40% off, because we also have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that is attaching to it as well. The reason I picked up the big body wash is because for the little ones, they are only limit of 2 when you redeem them from Ibotta. So if you pick up 3, you'll be getting $2 back on only 2 of them. But the other big one have another different rebate that will also give you a $2. For the dry spray, it's double attaching to a $2 back on each one of them, and an extra $1 back on each one of them as well. The coupons I'll be using for this transaction will be a 5 off 3 Old Spice body wash digital coupon, and also a 5 off 3 Old Spice deodorant or dry spray, and we have another $2 that is attaching to it as well. The total for all these items will be $48.85. I know it's way past the spend 40, but that's okay because I have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT that will help with this. But if you don't have the next purchase CRT, and you use the coupons I mentioned earlier, it's going to bring it down to $36.85, and you get $10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta. You will get $9 back for the dry spray. That's $3 on each, and for the body wash, you will get $2 back on each one of them, making all 6 items $11.85 or $1.98 each. But I'll be adding more items to this transaction. That way I can come up to $70. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the L'Oreal Elvive. They're on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I'll pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. You can mix or match however way you like. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon in our app that everybody received on Sunday. And I also have a 3 off 2 coupon I got from coupons.com that will double dip with the app one and bring it down to $3. I'll pay 3 and get $3 back, making both items free. The last deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 15 on any Almay cosmetics, get $5 back. I'll pick up 2 of the eyeshadow quads priced at $8.49. The total for these 2 items will be $16.98. I will use 2 of the $3 coupon we got from the 7C savings set, and I have 2 of the $5 instant CRT that will also apply to this. If I'm doing this by itself, that's $16 in coupons and CRT. Is going to bring it down to 98 cents. I will pay that and get $5 back, and I will also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each item, making both of them free and a $10.02 moneymaker. These are all the items I'll be picking up with my 10 of 17x purchase CRT. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipts. And let's look at the receipt. I picked up everything I showed earlier on. I used self-checkout with this transaction and I think that's where everything went wrong. Most of the coupons worked out very well. Then when it was time to scan my CRTs and my extra care box, it wasn't going through, so the cashier had to help me out. The first $10 manufacturer's coupon you see there, that's my 10 off 70. I don't know why it's reading like that. I only used $26 extra care box to pay for this. And I didn't notice at the time, but my Always CRT did not apply. I ended up paying more than I wanted out of pocket. And after I got my receipt, I have to look at how everything worked out. That's when I noticed that my Always CRT did not apply. So I have to return that. I returned the 2 Always eyeshadow quad and I got back $12 that was sent back to my bank account because I used my debit card for this transaction. So I'm guessing that CVS is not giving back any extra care box that you used to pay for items. But that's okay, because if you remember, these 2 items cost $16.98 and I used 2 $3 coupon. So the remaining money will be $12.98. I'm fine with this. For the rest of the transaction, everything went well. I got all my Ibotta rebate. That's $6 for the body wash and $9 back for the dry spray. That's $2 for each one of them and an extra $1 for each one of them as well. After all this, I still went back and did the Always again because I still have my instant CRT in my account. But I did a very simple deal. I picked up an Always foundation that is priced at $16.49 and I used a $3 coupon from the 7/6 savings set and 2 $5 instant CRT and another 3 off 10 cosmetic CRT. The first one I had was a text message, but this one came into the app. All the CRTs and coupons brought it down to 59 cents. The reason I picked up the $16.49 item is because I'm using self-checkout, and when the CRT is past the amount, it won't take it, it will kick it out. So I just want to finish this whole transaction by myself. I paid 59 cents, but I already got my $5 back from the previous transaction. But I also submitted this receipt to Ibotta and I got a $3 back for buying the foundation, making this whole transaction free and a $7.41 money maker. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye.